and SAP PLM is product life cycle management. What is life cycle? Anybody have idea about life cycle? What is life cycle? What is life? You please talk about it, boss. Then I will get an idea whether you are able to follow it or not. You have to speak out. What is life cycle? You take the chance whenever I am giving you the chance to talk. You take that chance so that it will become a habit to you. So about speaking whatever you know and whatever you understood, then you will get more information. Once you speak only, you will get more information. If you don't speak, you will get information, but it is less. Can anybody tell what is life cycle? General sense also you can tell, whatever you know. Very good. Okay, super. Starting to end, journey. Okay. Anybody else? Total process. What else? Series of stages. Very good. Yes. Any other? Any other things? Like you can also give me an example in general sense. Like we'll talk about our mobile phone only. Okay, you take the mobile phone. Can you tell me the mobile phone life cycle, how it will be? For suppose Apple iPhone is there. Tell me what is the life cycle of Apple iPhone? Do we have any systematic system? What you told? Design, research and development, development and manufacturing. Yeah, manufacturing, selling. Yes, designing is there. No, here designing. Yes, designing is there. Okay. Testing also will come at which phase? Before manufacturing, testing. After manufacturing, testing. Yes. Okay. Then maintaining. After selling, we have to maintain it. Okay. Very good. And then maintaining. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, discontinuation. Why we will discontinue something? Why we discontinue some product in the market? Usually. Yeah, exactly. For newer version. Which with newer benefits, isn't it? Newer version with new benefits or new design or new whatever. Okay, new benefits, new features. We will change our mobile phone frequently, no? After 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. If we don't change also, it will become outdated. Am I right? So from starting to ending, whatever somebody told about starting to ending, journey from starting to ending. So this is called life cycle. Every product will have its life cycle. Every person will have their own life cycle, isn't it? Similarly, here also in SAP system also there is a life cycle from starting to ending. So first one is what? Requirement. What is the requirement of a specific product? That starts from there. Okay, first requirement, then design and build. Design and build. Next what? Once design and build, once it is designed, then what we will do? It is software product. That's why we will deploy. Deploy means what? What is the meaning of deployment? What is the meaning of deployment? No, one, for suppose I am running a pharmaceutical company. I give an order to SAP saying that I want to use your SAP ERP software to run my business. Okay, so SAP people, SAP consultants will go to that company or will procure the information from that company, what kind of product is required by that company. All these details will be collected by the SAP, and they will suggest a best product to them, means which is suitable to their business. Once the product is selected and that particular software is decided to be means implemented in that company, then that particular software first of all need to be installed, and then they have to configure certain things such a way that that particular software can be used for running their own business. Okay, pharmaceutical business means there are plenty of pharmaceutical businesses will be there, but that software should be configured properly according to the requirements of that particular business. Okay, whole concept is called deployment. Okay, installation and implementation and configuration, everything will come under deployment. Okay, and then what, after deploying, what will be there? Operate. Okay, operate means users will access that particular software to do their day-to-day tasks. Okay, every day they have to log into the system, they have to perform their tasks, and whatever the tasks that are assigned to them, those tasks should be performed, and once they perform that particular task, the task will be escalated to their managers, and their managers will be escalated to their topmost management. So like that, complete information will be available to all the levels of employees in that particular organization. So this is the biggest phase. It will be around something like 3 to 5 years. Okay, 3 to 5 years. Okay, you can, means it is the longest period, because this deployment can be done within 3 months or 6 months, and design and build also can be done within 1 year or so and requirement also will take less time. Less time means not this much time. So once the deployment is done, operation time will be more time. This is the longest period of time. We don't need to mention this. Longest period of time is the operate. So once it is operate, then what is the next phase? Optimization. Okay, and retirement. Finally, end of the product. Retirement. Okay, so this is called completely the product life cycle management. PLM nothing but that, product life cycle management, or we can call this as software life cycle management. And there is another concept called, similarly, software means complete software. There is another concept called application lifecycle management. Application lifecycle management. And here, how many terminologies? I am just copying this. Software lifecycle management is, it is about complete software. Application lifecycle management, particular application. In that software, there are so many applications. Particular application also will have its own lifecycle management. Okay, and product lifecycle management is the main one. Management. Okay, so everywhere you will have these phases. So that is the meaning of the life cycle. Okay, you understood now what is life cycle? So that means related to life cycle management, you will have different applications within that software. So SAP PLM is nothing but that. So because of that only we are able to maintain that entire software. So software is not like just install and delete, not that kind of software. No, it is very big software. Once it is implemented, definitely we have to maintain it, we have to update that software, we have to apply patches, we have to install certain add-ons. All these things should be happen throughout the entire life cycle. For that purpose only you people are recruited and you people are deployed in particular organizations. You have to maintain that software, means you have to look after all these things, and you should know how to do all these activities practically. So whenever is requirement, then you have to take initiative and you have to follow the rules and regulations according to the company, and whatever they say, whatever your manager says, accordingly you have to implement, you have to act, you have to work in that organization. Okay, so that belongs to SAP PLM.